Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, paste it in here and click on download. Step number 3, upload it to YouTube Shorts and make money like this and money like this. Hey, I want to show you how to make money with YouTube Shorts and get paid thousands of dollars every single month by simply copy and pasting videos. As you can see, this is happening again and again with people from all over the world. The good part is that I'm going to show you how to do this without even showing your face, without ever using your voice, and without any big upfront investment. Look, YouTube needs to compete with TikTok because TikTok is absolutely blowing up. And that's good news for you because YouTube is giving $100 million to YouTube Shorts creators, as you can see on its own blog. So if you got about 30 minutes a day and no money, I'm going to show you on this video how to turn that into a lot of money with YouTube Shorts without ever showing your face. So let's... Hey, what's up, Jacob Travis, Andy FL, the Norwegian No BS YouTube marketing coach. And today, I want you to comment down below the number one reason I want to start a YouTube channel is because blank, and you can enter to win $1,000 course. And with this, quit your job, work from home, or travel the world. Well, today we're still in Montenegro, and this is an old town. This was made 2,000 years ago, 163 BC. So we're gonna step right into this today. But the next segment, we're gonna step all the way up. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a road all the way to the peak right here. And we're gonna do that in the next one. So I'm gonna jump in my computer in just a second. But before that, let me show you this little old town. Hey, how's it going, everybody? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm having a great day today, and I hope that I can show you how to make some money with YouTube Shorts. Now, you might see this page right here, people getting millions and millions of views, but most of them are actually showing their face, right? But I did a poll for you guys, and about 80% of you didn't want to show your face. You just wanted to, keep yourself hidden, incognito, anonymous, and I'm gonna help you out with this today. Now, one of the things I want you to do is to check this search term called dash cam. So you can see here that, for example, this Australian car crash got 500,000 for 4 days ago. Let me change over to English because you guys don't speak Norwegian, and you can see these other videos right here as well getting hundreds of thousands of views. As you can see, this one 3 million views. And let me show you a couple of channels here. So this channel is called Mega Driving School. You can see that the last 30 days they got about 2.69 million views and making AdSense money from 2K up to 24,000 monthly earnings. I think this is about on the lower end here, probably around $4,000 to $8,000 per month, and you can see that they're getting about 100,000 views each and every day. Now, the videos that they're making, as you can see, is a little bit longer type of videos. Road Rage USA and Canada, Road Rage Europe, and I love this. Like, my girlfriend, she got crazy road rage. I don't know where she get it from. Like, she's so cute and innocent every other time, but when she sits behind the wheel, oh my god. But check out this other channel right here as well called Dash Cam Owners Australia. You can see that they got about 6.4 million the last 30 days, making anywhere from 6 to 58. So this is probably around $10,000 to $16,000 per month from my experience in this niche right here. But he's making a lot more money from alternative monetization strategies that I'm going to show you how to do later in this video. That is something you probably never seen before, so stay tuned for that. Now, let me show you what type of content this guy is making. Dash cam owner attempts to stop driver before they cause an accident. Australian car crash. Goat herding is a regular part of the average Australian commute. So kind of more like, you know, Australian audience right here. But as you can see, these are longer videos, right? Like over 10 minutes here, but they also have some shorts going on here. But I'll show you exactly how to do this with YouTube Shorts. Now, obviously, the closest thing we have to YouTube Shorts is actually TikTok. And if you search Dashcam in the top right here, you'll find all these creators that has, you know, 100,000 followers here. They're getting literally 600,000, 100,000 here, 800,000 views. And it's not only this channel, but this channel as well. 100,000 here, 800,000 on this one. So let me show you just what we're trying to make and what gets these likes and views. So first, brake check. This guy having flips the bird. So in the window here, and then there we go. I love instant karma. So that's what people love to see. So that's what we're going to try to recreate here. And you might be wondering, like, where are these guys getting their footage from? Because they didn't get 1.3 million views. They didn't go out there and film it themselves, right? Now you understand that this niche is really, really big. And you can see that you can get a lot of views and you can also make a lot of money in this niche. And I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to make these videos right now. So if you appreciate that, all you need to do is just tickle that hairy subscribe button and then make friends in the comment section by saying the #1 reason I want to start a YouTube channel is because blank. And you can have to win $1,000 course. And make sure you stay to the end of this video because you don't want to miss how to actually monetize this a lot better. Step #1, find the footage. So the best way to find the footage that they are actually using is to go to youtube.com, search Dashcam here, then you click on filters and Creative Commons. If you don't know what Creative Commons is, well, Creative Commons is by marking your original video with a Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. So we can use these videos and re-upload them and then transform them and make them our own. So for example, you can see this video right here, 1.2 million. We're going to click on that and I'll show you a little trick right here. If you want to download the video really simply, just write PP in the top and then click on enter and you will instantly go to this y2mate.com and you can download this video. Just make sure to hit the highest setting and click on download. Step #2, turn it into a short. All you need to do is go to canva.com and here you can search story ad and click on this template right here. Make sure it's 1080 by 1920. And here you can see that they have a lot of different templates. I don't really like these templates for what we're gonna do. So create a blank story ad. So we're just gonna drag this video into Canva right here.
Опускаем, сейчас приедет сотрудник, опустим.
Дождитесь сотрудников полиции.
Yeah, so this one is a perfect one. And I already have some captions that I think we can use here. Now, what you need to do, you can see that this is 10-minute long video. So you just click right here and then we need to find exactly where that video starts and where it ends. So we're just gonna swiftly make it edit right there. That's where it begins. And then right where it ends is right here. Yeah, just like that. And you can see that's about 30 seconds short right here, which is perfect for us. Now, we're just gonna resize it and drag it up here, make it bigger, and that fits perfectly. And now we're gonna add some captions. So just click on the background, then go to the top and then select the black color so it's all blacked out. Then we're gonna add some text in here. Let's drag it up here, make it a little bit smaller. And then we're gonna add something for later, which is dash cam link in bio. Click on download and then click on MP4 and click on download again. Step number 3, upload the video. So now that we got it downloaded, we just drag it right in here to the YouTube uploader. Here we can say like Russian man refused to get his car towed, and then maybe a crying, laughing emoji. The emojis work pretty well on YouTube Shorts actually. And then all you need to do to make it a short is to just say this, shorts, in the description below. Now I'm gonna teach you something you probably haven't seen before, which is a really good monetization strategy that you want people to click in the description down below. Step number 4, go to kit.co. So kit.co is an easy way for you to sell a ton of different items right through Amazon Associates. And Amazon, for example, you can see MKBHD, one of the biggest tech creators. He actually made a kit that he sells his desk, his chair, his headphones, all of the Apple products. You can see that they have links to Amazon, Best Buy, and B&H where they can buy. And if somebody buys through this link, MKBHD or you will make money from that. Isn't that cool? All you need to do is click on sign up in the top right, then sign up with Twitter, Facebook, or email, and click on create an account. Now all you need to do is click on right here, and then we can create a new kit. So let's, for example, name this car dash cam, and we don't really care about the hashtag, so just click on next, and then we can search for a product. So let's search for dash cam here. Here you can add this dash cam here, add to kit. Even this one, front and rear, you can add this one, add to kit. Maybe this one, the mirror dash cam. Now we've selected like 6 products, so just click on done. And here we go. This is your kit. And if anybody clicks on this kit, they can browse through all these cool dash cams. And if they click on one of them, they will buy it on Amazon. And if they buy it on Amazon, you will make money for that. So now just click on share this kit, copy link to share, and then go back to your YouTube video and paste the link right in here with get best dash cam here. Maybe a little arrow going down, just like that. But now you might be wondering, how do we make this rank and how do we get people to it in the beginning? Step number 5, add tags. So I'm just gonna keep scrolling down on this page, and here you can see click show more, and here you will have tags. I'm just going to delete these tags, and here you can add all these different tags, like for example dash cam and then comma road rage comma. And I have this amazing tool called TubeBuddy, and they will literally give you all these amazing keywords and tags for you to make your rank faster. All I need to do is click on this one, click on the plus, click on the plus, funny videos, bad drivers, road rage, try not to laugh. All these are related keywords, and it makes it rank a lot faster. All you need to do is go to andyhafel.com/TubeBuddy, and you will get access to this for completely free. And then you can just install the free Chrome extension right now. So if you're a new YouTube creator, it's like a must-have to upload videos a lot easier. So we can just click on this one and continue clicking on these ones to get the most popular and most related tags on our YouTube video to rank faster. Now that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you want more ways to make money on YouTube without showing your face, there's 2 videos on the screen right now. Just tap them, click them, and I'll see you in the next one.